My appointment's finally here. It feels like I've been waiting forever. I had to book her far in advance because she's on high demand. She's all the way from Toronto, you guys. It's TN.BROWS. Yes, her Instagram is right there. And today, you guys, I'm going to get those ombre shaded brows. Yes, I've been wanting this. This is the new technique that they're doing. It lasts longer. It's faster recovery, no pain involved, you guys, very minimum pain. And I'm going to show you guys all the way from the beginning to the end. So right now I'm driving and the traffic is not that bad. And I love to make my appointments always on time. I just want to show you guys my eyebrows close up in daylight. This is the one that's fuller and a lot thicker. And this one is a lot thinner and shorter. Almost there. Really excited. I don't know if I'm excited because this is like considered a tattoo, almost my first time getting a tattoo, or I'm just gonna get a new improvement eyebrow because you know a girl loves to swim. And when I do my natural curly hair channel, you know, washing my hair, I just always want my eyebrows to look on point for you guys. So this is really going to improve it, make life simple, and I can just go, you know, I can just go, not focus on, you know, the little flaws on the eyebrows. I found it, you guys. Check it out. And then the hot chair, you guys. Okay, so what she's doing here is taking a lot of pictures so we can have a lot of before and after pictures for her social media. And she's going to outline my brows. And here's my brows. So you guys see they are kind of like full, but they're not super thick. I'm loving the aesthetics of the place. Look at the little chandelier. It's so pretty, you guys. Okay, so right here, as I was telling you guys before, she outlined it and she did makeup, and we're really trying to find the right shape that we both agree on, and she's applying the makeup to get that shape. So when you're going to get your eyebrows done, don't get them waxed or tweezed. It's best for them to see the natural state of your eyebrows, of how the hair will grow so they can arch it correctly. She's preparing, you guys, for the needling. She's getting everything all organized, all professional here, and I have to get ready for it. I have to stay still. This is like a real deal, almost like a tattoo. Relax and get ready for the actual penetration to the skin. This is just makeup, but we decide on this arch, this shape. Wow, what a wonderful experience. I definitely achieved the eyebrows I really wanted, and it had no pain, you guys. I'm not lying. She did not numb my eyebrows. As she was shading it in, it felt like just a strong scrub on your face, for real. I didn't need no numbing for my eyebrows. It felt amazing. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. And you guys, it healed really nicely. I didn't wash my eyebrows or my face or wet it or anything for 4 days. This is right after, and I'm driving home. Hey, you guys, had a great experience getting my eyebrows done. She did an amazing job. I'm very satisfied. And I went to go visit my friend. He gave me a TN.BROWS Mayweather official hat. I love it. It's so nice. It matches the interior of my Tesla with a little bit of pink. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I enjoy just doing videos like this. So if you guys want to go on a next adventure with me, you know, on getting something else done, because I have more in store. I want to get some more things done. Please